recently added American Adventure Lab's mass cargo shelf to my JL. This has been a great addition to my build. After doing so, I quickly realized I was going to need some lighting for that cargo area. Here's my solution. Okay, here's a look at the lights we're going to be using for this mod. This is KCHilites Underhood Kit, which comes with 2 lamps, wiring harness, switch, everything we'll need. The cyclone lamps are super easy to mount as they use just 1 bolt. And here's some pics on how I mounted those and how I located the wiring harness. As you can see, everything is tucked up out of the way. Routing the wiring harnesses down behind this driver's side trim panel in the cargo area will put us right where we need to draw power. And here's where we're going to get our power from, this 12-volt factory supplied socket in the cargo area. Let's get the trim panel off and get a look at that. Start by removing this trim piece around the seat belt. Insert a small screwdriver and pry straight up. This will allow you to separate the trim panel from the side of the Jeep. It pulls straight out. And here's a look at the wiring harness unplugged from the 12-volt cargo socket. This is where we draw power. After checking the wires with my voltmeter, I found that the pink-green stripe is power and the black is ground. Easy enough. I have that pink-green wire stripped and ready for me to join my lighting circuit to it. I prefer to solder these, as I know they'll never fail. Okay, we're soldered up and taped. Now we're ready to snap that connector back into the back of the socket. Anytime I have to connect wiring, I'll use a heat shrink butt connector and then wrap that in more heat shrink. I found this to be very durable. This was a nice pleasant find. Inside that back door area, underneath that trim panel, is a nice factory grounding point. Alright, now onto the switch. I decided not to use the switch that came with the KC kit as it projected out too far. I was looking for something with a much flatter profile that would reside nice and clean inside this cargo area. With regards to switch location, I found this spot on the trim panel to be deep enough to accept the connections to the back of the switch. And here it is all finished up. As you can see, the switch is located in a nice, easy to reach place. The lights are tucked up out of the way and provide nice, even illumination of the cargo area. I was pleasantly surprised with the amount of illumination that spills off the back of the Jeep, illuminating the whole back of this work area. Here's a look from above, and you can see how far out the lights project. Super happy with this mod. Please consider subscribing to the channel, as we would love your support. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you on the trails.